Welcome to our thorough analysis of Zoho Social. Zoho Social is an impressive tool designed to assist businesses manage multiple social media accounts. It's a part of the Zoho suite, a comprehensive package of business applications. With Zoho Social, you can schedule posts, monitor keywords, manage social networks, and measure performance from a single dashboard. It's a great tool for businesses, marketers, and agencies to grow their social media presence. Zoho Social has an array of features. It offers a smart queue feature, which suggests the best time to post based on when your audience is most active. It also provides real-time monitoring, allowing you to track your brand mentions, keywords, and engagement. Zoho Social supports team collaboration, enabling team members to work together seamlessly. It also has a CRM integration, which allows you to convert social media interactions into leads. Zoho Social offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs. The standard plan costs $10 per month, the professional plan is $25 per month, and the agency and agency plus plans cost $200 and $300 per month, respectively. Each plan offers a different set of features and capabilities, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. They also offer a 15-day free trial for you to test the platform before making a commitment. Zoho Social is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses and agencies managing multiple social accounts. It's great for marketers who want to automate their social media tasks and focus on engaging with their audience. It's also useful for sales teams, as the CRM integration allows them to capture leads from social media. And with its collaborative features, it's perfect for teams that need to work together on social media management. Zoho Social has many advantages. It supports all major social media platforms, offers a unified dashboard for easy management, and provides insightful analytics. The Smart Queue feature ensures your posts reach the maximum audience. And the CRM integration is a game changer, converting social interactions into leads. Plus, it's part of the Zoho suite, so you can easily integrate it with other Zoho apps. Despite its advantages, Zoho Social also has some limitations. It doesn't support Pinterest or Snapchat. The interface can be overwhelming for beginners. And while it offers a lot of features, some users find it lacks depth in certain areas, like its reporting capabilities. Also, some users have reported issues with customer service responsiveness. Zoho Social is a comprehensive social media management tool with a variety of features like post scheduling, real-time monitoring, and CRM integration. It's ideal for small to medium businesses, marketers, and agencies. While it does have some limitations, its benefits far outweigh them, making it a strong contender in the social media management space. In conclusion, Zoho Social is a robust and versatile tool for managing social media. It offers a wide range of features, a flexible pricing structure, and is part of a larger suite of business tools. It's not perfect, but its advantages make it a worthwhile consideration for businesses looking to streamline their social media management. Thank you for watching our analysis of Zoho Social. We hope you found it insightful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more comprehensive reviews in the future. Thank you and take care.